Here is how to get a QR code for your Google form. So first of all, you need to go to Google Forms and either create a new form or select an existing one. For example, you can use the contact information template or any form or quiz that you already have. Once your form is ready, click on the link icon in the top of the page that is indicating copy responder link. Go ahead and copy the link. And once it has been copied in your clipboard, generate the QR code. Open a new tab and go to unicode.com. Tap on its official website. Paste the link that you just copied in this box. And then tap on Generate QR, which is highlighted in blue color beside it. You can also customize your QR using the available options. You can change the photo for free and you can add a custom logo, which requires a subscription, but there are a few default templates available as well. And once you're happy with the design, select the download format and then sign up to save or download your QR code. And once downloaded in your computer, you can share it to anyone that you prefer. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.